So, hi guys, Dirk and Kiwi here. Thanks so much for tuning in. In 2021, I published a video about the APEXEL Macro Lens. Little did I know that this would be one of the most successful videos on my channel. Now, 3 years later, APEXEL came out with a new macro lens, this time an improved version. And now I wanted to know if this is really a better version and what's so special about it. To test this lens, I went to the botanical garden in Naples. Unfortunately, it was a super hot day with almost 97 degrees Fahrenheit, and I couldn't stay for a very long time. I was sweating. Still, I managed to get quite a few good shots, and I'm happy to share them with you. First of all, this macro lens fits on 99% of all smartphones compared to the bracket of the 3-year-old version. Here we had such a phone clamp, and here the new bracket is a solid performer. It's very sturdy and it holds this heavy lens in place. We do get a zoom ring, and that zoom ring allows you to get a 10 to 20x magnification on your subject. That's amazing. If you're zooming in all the way, then you get a 20x magnification, but it also means that you have to get very close to your subject. This could be tricky when you're focusing on insects because you scare them away, or if you have a scenery with a lot of sunlight, you may cast a shadow. So in this case, you would zoom out that you have a little bit more of a distance to your subject. Now, newer phones also have a macro mode that give you really good magnifications. But let's take a look at the details and especially the background. This picture that comes from the iPhone looks like a phone picture. It doesn't look like a real photograph. And even if you're choosing to zoom out with this lens, it still gives you more details and especially a wonderful out of focus background. So it makes it look like a real photo. It is a solid construction, it's made of metal, the focus ring goes really smooth, and we have a 52mm thread here, so you can attach a polarized filter or any other form of filters. The APEXEL Macro Zoom Lens currently retails at $44. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's going to be an affiliate link, and if you would purchase this and use my link, I would make some money back. It wouldn't cost you anything extra, but that certainly helps me to purchase more products to review here on my channel. And this pretty much sums up my review of the APEXEL Macro Zoom Lens. Let me know your thoughts or also questions in the comments below. I'll definitely respond. And as you know, a free way to support my channel would be to leave a like. And if you like the channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.